Okay students, so now here is an example that how to estimate the balances related with the current account. As we have already know that there are four types of balances related with the current account. First is trade balance related with the goods. Second is goods and services balance related with the goods and non-factor services. Third is invisible balance related with all the services and current transfers. And last is current account balance. So we are gonna estimate all these four out of this given example. Here you can see we have given items here and their value in US million dollars. Clear? Exports, it includes export of goods whenever nothing is being explained here. Like you can see export, import and invisible. Three items are being given here, export and import, these are of goods. Okay, if nothing is mentioned here and invisible is given separately, then it means this is of goods only, material goods. Clear? Invisibles include both services as well as current transfers. Clear? Now here it is being categorized that it invisible includes non-factor service, income and transfers. Income means factor services. Income means factor services, because whatever is being earned by the factors of production, that is known as income of factors of production, and that are for factor services. Clear? So this is the categorization. So this is how we come to know that this export and import is of goods only. This invisible includes services as well as current transfer. Services means both the service factor and non-factor, and transfers means current transfers. Okay, and these are the values given in US million dollar. So let's find out the balances of current account. So first of all, we are having trade balance. We know very well that trade balance is find out for the goods only. Clear? And how we find out the goods? Export minus import. So what is the export of goods given to us? This is 3 lakh rupees minus import of the goods, which is given 4 lakh rupees. So 4 lakh million dollar, 4 lakh US million dollars. Clear? Now here is the answer. We are having 1 lakh US million dollar, but you can see here imports are more than export, so the answer will be in negative. So this is the trade balance, negative 1 lakh million dollars. Clear? So this is the trade balance and it is a negative. Okay. Next is we are having goods and services balance. Goods and services balance. Now if you remember, we'll take goods means balance of trade, that is export and import of goods balance here, and in services we only take non-factor service. We only have to take non-factor service, which is given in the question here. Non-factor services, that is 77,000. So this is what we are going to take here. We are not taking both factor and non-factor services in this. We are only taking non-factor services. Clear? And how we going to calculate it? Export of goods and non-factor service minus import of goods and non-factor services. This is how we are going to calculate it. But if here you are going to see, we have not given export and import of services. The export and import of goods is given here, but here you can see invisibles net is given. Net means these are already the balances given to us. Clear? So this 77,000 is the balance of non-factor services. This is the balance of non-factor service. So what we are going to do here? We are going to add the balance of trade and the balance of non-factor service. The balance of trade is minus 1 lakh and the factor services is 77,000. Clear? So how we going to get it? Balance of trade, that is minus 1 lakh plus 77,000. This is how we are getting it. So the answer will be here 23,000, and that is also negative. That is also negative. So this is how we are getting the balance of goods and services, where services include non-factor service. In the question, export import separately not given, the balance is given here. So we are going to add this balance with the balance of trade and get our goods and services balance, that is minus 23,000. Clear? Now the next we are going to calculate is the invisible balance. The invisible balance. Invisible balance means which includes all services and transfers both. Invisible balance, it is already given over here, but still if you need to check it out, that the balance of all these three should be is equal to this. So how we going to calculate it? Invisible balance. Invisibles balance, and it is equal to the sum of all these three. Balance of non-factor service, balance of non-factor services plus balance of factor services and plus balance of current transfers. And here it is given to us 77,000 plus it is given in negative here minus 28,000 and here it is 62,000. So when we gonna add these two will be added and this will be deducted. The answer will gonna come 1,11,000. So this is the invisible balance and it is already given over here 1,11,000. So we can find out the invisible balance and make it you can say counter check with the given into the question. Clear? Now the last we need to find out the current account balance, where we need to add balance of trade and invisible balance. So the current account balance is balance of trade plus invisible balance. Current account balance, that is equal to balance of trade plus invisible balance. And balance of trade we have calculated in negative 1 lakh plus invisible balance we have just calculated 1,11,000. So the answer will be 11,000. So this is how we are going to estimate the current account balances. The first was the balance of goods or the balance of trade, which is export minus import. Second is goods and services balance, where we added up the balance of goods and the balance of non-factor services. Thirdly, invisible balance, where we had the balance of all these three. And fourth is current account balance, where we had the balance of goods and services and the invisible balance here. So this is 11,000. This is how we are going to estimate the balances related to the current